Are you planning on visiting Oahu and want to explore more than Honolulu and Waikiki, but are on a budget? We found ourselves in the same situation and ended up doing a DIY route using the local Oahu transit system called TheBus to explore the far north and far east of Oahu. This one-day journey cost us $7.50 in bus fare and took us from our Waikiki hotel to Dole Plantation, Sharks Cove, Foodland Pupukea, and the Waiahole Poi Factory. From Waikiki, Honolulu, you want to take the 52 bus, which heads north. Doing so, you will hit the first main destination, the Dole Plantation. The Dole Plantation is located in a very rural part of Oahu. It is home to a Pineapple Express train tour, plantation garden, and the Pineapple Garden Maze. It was no surprise why this pineapple attraction brings in over 1 million visitors a year. We purchased the train, maze, and garden package, which was a modest price of $27. The Pineapple Express train ride is a 20-minute pre-recorded narration through a plantation. The narration was very informative and was a great fit to the sights we saw. There is no stopping or getting off on this route. The Pineapple Garden Maze won the 2008 Guinness World Records as the world's largest maze. You are challenged to find 8 spots in this maze, and it was indeed quite the challenge. Be sure to have bug repellent on you during this time, as there were bugs galore in this large, immersive maze. A few bites were worth it though. The plantation garden has 8 mini gardens with a nice variety of crops and trees. Excellent spot for great photos. There's also a shop right at the entrance where you can purchase souvenirs, snacks, and specialty Dole products. The Dole soft serve with pineapple topping is a must try. They even have free pineapple and chocolate tastings. Leaving the Dole Plantation, return to the bus stop you got off at to continue north on the 52 bus. When you reach Kamehameha Highway and Lokia Place, you will need to transfer to the 60 bus. No worries if you're feeling lost. The drivers are super helpful and are happy to help you out. The next stop on our DIY tour was Sharks Cove. Sharks Cove is a famous beach in Pupukea, northeast of the Dole Plantation. Sharks Cove has beautiful blue waters, calm from the walls of the surrounding rocks and cliffs. The calm and shallow waters makes it ideal for snorkeling and seeing the many fish. Be sure to wear something protective on your feet as it is a very rocky coastal area. There are public washrooms and change rooms on this beach, which is a bonus. If you're looking for food options, there are many delicious food trucks just across the street from Sharks Cove. But as we're on a budget, we opted to get lunch from the local grocery store, Foodland, which was across the street. Foodland is a supermarket chain in Hawaii, with their typical departments for produce and grocery needs. What stood out to us were the Hawaiian specialties such as their poke options, which we love their salmon and ahi poke by the way. The staff were helpful at providing suggestions on the best poke and even let us sample a few options before buying. After finishing up in Pupukea, we started to head back towards Waikiki. While using public transit does take longer, it lets you travel in a stress-free environment, and the slow travel allows you to really enjoy the views. Seeing the beautiful coastal landscape was breathtaking and made us hungry for one last stop, the ever-popular Waiahole Poi Factory. Waiahole Poi Factory is a place we've seen recommended by many, and we found out why. We had a combo plate consisting of kalua pig and lau lau, with the perfect dessert to finish it, sweet native waiahole. Having good authentic food was a priority when traveling, and this place checked that box off deliciously. Often when you look at video recommendations, you'll notice everyone is using their own cars to get to these popular locations. At first, we thought we needed to as well, but discovered that getting around Oahu is easy if you do a bit of research and planning with their local transit system. This is for sure something you can do too. For a written guide, check out our blog post for more information. Enjoy and happy traveling.